And welcome back to the gamers. And I am on this girl's head. And it's Skippy. And it's Skippy.
Ayaw humarap.
Hey guys, it's Jewel. It's Jewel.
Don't get a fly away.
Belle, if that's your name, please stop pecking us.
I am not picking you two. No.
Yes, you are pecking us. And by the way, this is Skippy. Skippy is not amused.
By the way, they already have a crush now.
Yeah, should we kiss Jewel? So...
Are you going to kiss Jewel or no?
Maybe later. 'Cause this big blob of black, we are gonna peck this girl Belle's hair.
What's that,
Actually, never mind. Jewel, what are you saying?
Don't
ooh,
turn around.
Yum. This is yummy hair.
Are they picking my head?
Only Jewel. Jewel.
Say cheese, Belle. Cheese.
Jewel. Jewel. I don't know if that's supposed to be. Okay, bye. Not really bye. Just, Skippy, what are you saying? I have no idea. And, Belle, this is Jewel. Belle. Belle.
Why are you picking my head? Now my head is tickling. Belle, look at me. You just...
Tita Cherry, if you see their tail wiggling, that means they're about to poop.
No!
If you see their tail wiggling.
Is my butt pooping?
Okay, bye! Bye, guys! Oh yeah, and by the way, it's Jewel. And bye from Skippy.
Are kissing each other, you're not